what's up? I was getting super bored and I'm in a lot of pain. I'm having my first day cramps and it's super bad, you guys. I can't explain it to you. I'm in a lot of pain. So here I am sitting in my robe and in my nightie, thought doing something interesting for you, on IGTV. So why not make a makeup video? That's what I thought. So let's do that because I really want to distract myself and entertain you guys. So yeah, cool. Bear with me maybe. So the first thing I'm gonna use is my foundation. So I really want to tell you guys, so it's my first day, so I'm having all kind of breakouts and everything, my face is a mess right now. I'm not gonna go out any which ways. I'm just gonna remove the makeup and I'm done with the video. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Foundation. I'm gonna take like 2 pumps of this. Today especially I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles, which I really need right now because I have bad dark circles, guys. So yeah, here we are using this. I'm gonna try as fast as I can do this. I do not want to edit it and do all of that stuff, so I'm just gonna do it as fast as I can. If this makeup is a mess, do not blame me. Who else will you blame? Actually, who else blame me? Not me. But yeah, it's okay. Do not blame me. Maybe I'm making lame jokes right now. God, kidding me. So yeah, we are done with the concealer, but I'm going to use another one. So I'm using the Forever 52 Professional Complete Coverage concealer. I really like it. It is a bit brownish, and that's what I really like about it. It's a bit yellow tone, so I'm gonna put it here, not exactly on my under eye, but just here, and then I'm gonna put merge it with the beauty blender. So what's up? How's life? Comment and tell me how your life going on. My life is a mess. Of course it is. It's my life. Okay, so cool. We're done with this. So yeah. So 4 minutes and we already are done with our base. So good, I really like that. I'm gonna use makeup Daily Life Forever 52 Professional Translucent Loose Powder. I'm gonna take the sponge or the puff is what you call this. So puff, and I'm just gonna put it here. I really like this one. It's pretty good. I used to use Fit Me. I still use Fit Me का loose powder, but मुझे ये वाला भी बहुत पसंद है. Okay, guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I do not know how to do good makeup. If you do not like my makeup, it's fine. It's just what I like. It's pretty simple, and I really wanted to be a bit of Korean. I love Korean makeup. I love their skin. I love everything about them. They're just so good. We're done with the translucent, and now oh shit, I have to get that thing. I forgot to get it, the contouring thing. I'm gonna do that later. I'm just gonna take the Wet n Wild contour stick. It's pretty good. I won't say that it's like 10 on 10, but it's 5. Yeah. And now my nose is sharp. Yeah. I'm gonna basically fast forward this video because it's already 6 minutes here, and I do not want to edit it a lot, and I do not want to cut things out. God. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go with the eyeshadow. Come here. God. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I will take a brush, an eyeshadow brush, and I'm using this cream shade and baby pink shade, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of dark brown. So this is all I'm actually gonna do with the eyeshadow. Really less, but yeah. So I'm gonna tell you one thing. Basically, whenever I do not do my eyebrows as in threading, it looks weird and it looks thinner. But whenever I get, you know, threading done, it looks thicker. I don't know what thing it is, but it's just so weird that, you know, when you have more hair, it looks weird and it looks bad. But when you do not have hair, you know, the unwanted hair, it looks good. And good to lagna hi chahiye, but it looks thicker and it's shocking for me. I don't know how that happens. I really don't. So I'm gonna take my brush. I'm sure it's broken. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm not gonna look at it. So I'm gonna take an eyeliner brush, which I certainly cannot find, but I found it. So I will take makeup Daily Life Forever 52 professional eyeliner, but this is in a shade, you know, brown. It is not black. Yeah, it's not black. So I really want it to be light and, you know, good. It's just like a tint of darkness. Is that what you call it? I don't think so, but I will call it that. And the other one, actually, you know what? I can't see anything. I can't understand in this camera mirror that what am I supposed to do? Can't see anything. Fast forward में कितना weird हो जाएगा ये. Sorry guys. I feel so sad for all of you. It's okay. We can't do anything about it. I am done with the liner. I do not want it to be really dark. I really want it to be light. You know, just how my day is going. I'm gonna use the mascara. It's the Lash Sensational Maybelline mascara. It's like gone. I have to buy another one now. So I bought this blue color Maybelline mascara, which is waterproof, and it was so bad, you guys. I do not like it at all. I was like, you know, what am I supposed to do with it? Because it was so bad. It was literally so bad. Guys, I couldn't find my contouring palette, so I'm just going to use, you know, I'm just going to do a jugaad and use my this eyebrow palette. So I'm just going to take light brown plus a little bit of dark and just put it here. We're done with it. We are. So now I will use the Master Flush Stick by Maybelline. I really like this one. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna take the other side of it, take this pinkish thing and put it over here. I really don't like blush, you know, these days. It's because of my pimples. You know, they really pop out after that, so I really don't like that. I like literally hate it. See, now you can actually see my pimples. It's so weird, but cool. I really like the blush thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bit of loose powder and put it on that. We are almost done. I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. Just take it on my fingertips and just really light. I don't look good when I have a lot of highlighter on my cheekbones. I don't know why. So yeah, we're done. We're actually done. I'm just going to use the flush stick and I'm going to take the pinkish shade and just